Somebody called me a token-only channel. Motherfucker, he's the only one consistently dropping that's worth the shit.
I know the hoes like the back of my hand. I got groupies a part of my hand. Stacking their bodies like Holocaust, but now the Jew is in charge of the camp. Token out so many meds, I get pills that the dudes in the pharmacy can't. I know the hoes like the back of my hand. I got groupies a part of my hand. Stacking their bodies like Holocaust, but now the Jew is in charge of the camp. Token out so many meds, I get pills that the dudes in the pharmacy can't. 8 ball of coke and we tucking 2 balls, so we move like we partly all trans. My doctor told me that I might have cancer. I knew it, cause legends, they usually die. I made a post on my Instagram saying I'm sober, you rookie, dear. Dudes in the pharmacy can't. 8 ball of coke and we tucking 2 balls, so we move like we partly all trans. My doctor told me that I might have cancer. I knew it, cause legends, they usually die. I made a post on my Instagram saying I'm sober, you rookie, dear pussy, I lied. That never.
Dude, it's one-liner after one-liner right now. I am sorry. What the fuck?
Token out so many meds, I get pills that the dudes in the pharmacy can't.
Yeah.
8 ball of coke and we tucking 2 balls, so we move like we partly all trans. My doctor told me that I might have cancer. I knew it, cause legends, they usually die. I made a post on my Instagram saying I'm sober, you rookie, dear pussy, I lied. That never taught me how to tie, but I went to his funeral fly. Just a reminder, my better without him is probably in heaven, still puking, polluting the sky. All of my homies are burners, but I'm by their side like I'm Scooby-Doo. I was 16 when I flew to Cool Whip, got an attitude. They get upset if I park it by Subarus, causing depression. I'm moving through, I had probation. I had to pull out my 14-year-old dick right in front of.
In a Home Depot, it was crazy. In front of Best Buy. No, that's Walmart. That's Walmart. In front of Walmart.
All of my homies are burners, but I'm by their side like I'm Scooby-Doo. I was 16 when I flew to Cool Whip, got an attitude. They get upset if I park it by Subarus, causing depression. I'm moving through, I had probation. I had to pull out my 14-year-old dick right in front of a man. Wasn't easy to. I was a pedophile, dream come true. All of these pussies I'm singing through. He made a song about depression. I know that he's stretching. Let me see the cuts on your wrist. I only started rapping fast, so ladies in class could imagine my tongue on their clit. Mama taught me about white privilege. I remember it with everything that.
What is going on right now? I only started rapping fast so the bitches couldn't imagine me licking their hoo-ha. Jesus, hold up. Wow.
I was a pedophile, dream come true. All of these pussies I'm singing through. He made a song about depression. I know that he's stretching. Let me see the cuts on your wrist. I only started rapping fast, so ladies in class could imagine my tongue on their clit. Mama taught me about white privilege. I remember it with everything that I do. Every time they crush a white pill in front of me, fuck it, I feel it's a privilege too.
Let me take a sip.
I've never heard of this guy.
Talking on a track like Locomotive, going loco. The motive is to fully load up the wallet. It feeling so solid, I can't even keep it in my back pocket. Popping like I was a ibuprofen. I like women, you cover your hand with lotion. I got mad devotion. You a poser, your rapping so bad it hurt me. Yo bitch bouncing up and down like you and burpees on my dick. Slurping up, not in burping. You get home from work and then you certainly kissing the lips. That mean your mouth is covered.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. I'm glad it finally dropped. I'm glad it finally dropped. That was a long like segment right there.
Going loco, the motive is to fully load up the wallet. It feeling so solid, I can't even keep it in my back pocket. Popping like I was a ibuprofen. I like women, you cover your hand with lotion. I got mad devotion. You a poser, your rapping so bad it hurt me. Yo bitch bouncing up and down like you and burpees on my dick. Slurping up, not in burping. You get home from work and then you certainly kissing the lips. That mean your mouth is covered in my sperm. I spit like a devilish sermon. You revel in it, I'm a rebel. Get out like a pebble. I burn the opposition like a book in Germany. Get the vermin exterminated in a urn. Turning heads when I'm passing, they passing out in the pit. You might just herniate it. This Indian kid on the mic, I'm offending the idiots. Heard it, they currently pissed. Fuck them, they acting real pussy like Gucci. I'm eating sushi with my gang of Pet Uchiko. That's a bougie restaurant for people that don't know any better. I get respect like a veteran up in this bitch. Rolling with better men than you could ever. They never gon' switch up like hitting a lever. That redstone glowing like rubies up on her neck. Go to the studio, dookie up on a chat like it's a park bed. Superman on a bat like I was Clark Kent. Sat on a pack of the backwoods bar bed. Bullets and pack and leave you with a heart dead. Motherfucker, I shoot, loading up a magazine and we undercover too like boom. Token and me, 2 dudes wrap circles around you like you the earth and we the moon. Everybody wanna get a piece of the pie like fly, but the fly get hit with a broom. Hop in the whip, go zoom like Forza. Gas in the beat, spit fire like boom.
park dirty in the 30 is my pants size. Sipping dirty surly cause I'm girly, I'm a grand prize. Early bird, get the wormy, get the gurney, I'ma die. She a bird, tell me she prefer me when I'm not high. If I'm high, then nobody know it, not even me. She get a diploma for blowing, she get a college degree. They calling me token, but token is really not for the weak. Cause if I'm smoking something, it's man-made. Blowing up on a rampage, keeping the crew alive when we told the cup of the champagne. Stopping so many coffins that roll with tells it's my brand name. Fuck every single rapper, I don't give none of them handshakes. Journaling to myself like my older relative Van Frank.
Bitch, hey yo, shout out Plague Boulevard. Shout out India, motherfucker. Shut. If a bird could have been my pants size, it'd be 36. Fucking a dirty bitch, I need to get a bar of soap. It's a demon on the microphone, someone called a pope. Exercise, I'm scaring away all the fat hoes. I don't know where all the rap goes, it's a black hole.
Did he say I'm scared away all the...
Shut. If a bird could have been my pants size, it'd be 36. Fucking a dirty bitch, I need to get a bar of soap. It's a demon on the microphone, someone called a pope. Exercise, I'm scaring away all the fat hoes. I don't know where all the rap goes, it's a black hole in my head. Rappers in a pile, yeah, I stack those. Crack nose like he's sniffing powder. I watch chowder, I spit flame every day, call me Bowser. I got a girl, you be aroused by the browser. Staring at the LED screen, RGB, eating Arby's, looking like a school shooter. It's Lil Darkie, motherfucker, you a loser. L on the forehead, bitch, I'm an all-star. Smash in your mouth, I'll put your eyes where my balls are. Sunglasses, it made me come fast like...
They're going off. And this dude is sexual as fuck. You need to get some, dog. You need to get some. See, maybe you could stop rapping like that. And just, it's nothing against it. I'm just saying, obviously that's on his mind because he hasn't. You know what I mean?
Crack nose like he's sniffing powder. I watch chowder. I spit flame every day. Call me Bowser. I got a girl, you be aroused by the browser. Staring at the LED screen, RGB, eating Arby's, looking like a school shooter. It's Lil Darkie, motherfucker, you a loser. L on the forehead, bitch, I'm an all-star. Smash in your mouth, I'll put your eyes where my balls are. Sunglasses, it made me come fast like DoorDash when you pay a couple extra bucks for this shit. Double kick, bubble butt, bitch, and she sucking dick. Drummers on the bottom of my gun, I got a couple sticks. Symbol on my forehead, it's there till the dad kick the bucket. I got nothing left to lose, man, fuck it. I would just like to take this opportunity to let you know that year after year, we are losing 2% of our insect biomass globally. Also, fuck every single person on Earth with the name Chris.
Fuck you, Chris.
Fuck you, Chris.
The album, July 24th from Token. Man, I mean, it's gonna have my same quote unquote complaint on every Token video. It's the instrumental is very, very similar, and it's similar in the way of just like it's very, very bass heavy. It'd be knocking, and all of them do. All of them have that. I kind of wish it would tone down a little bit here and there. You know what I mean? Here and there. But anyways, I mean, it was dope. A great first impression from Lil Darkie, because I've never heard of the guy. That was fucking great. Go get some fucking pussy. You know what I mean? Like, like obviously it's on your mind. You know? But yeah, dude, that was actually pretty fire. What was your favorite bar that you caught? Let me know down in the comments below. It's the whole reason why I do these videos. And yeah, I appreciate y'all. And I will see the Token fans for the album. If he doesn't drop anything else in between now and then. Everything will be okay in the end. If it is not the end.